Usually, professional CAD software needs beefy computers, or at least a decent hardware to run most of its features. But in recent years, cloud-based tools have become very popular and are trying to provide almost the same feature as their offline counterparts. You would have noticed this trend in mechanical CAD application, where cloud-based applications like Fusion 360 and Onshape are gaining a very large user base. Similarly, in the field of electronics CAD, we have EasyEDA, Flux.ai, and Fusion 360. Which makes the application very accessible on older systems and also provides a collaborative platform to work as a team. So to take advantage of these cloud softwares, we are starting a new series where we'll learn how to use EasyEDA while building a PCB for a battery management circuit. On this channel, we have a large audience base for KiCAD videos. So even though the series is recorded for EasyEDA, all the functionality of the circuit and PCB should be replicable on KiCAD as well. So make sure to watch all the videos in the series. Before we leap into the fun stuff, let's talk a little about EasyEDA and how things work here. EasyEDA comes in 3 different variants. We can either use the standard, pro, or the offline client version. If you are just getting started with PCB development, I would highly recommend using the standard version, which is very easy and simple to learn. To start, no installations are needed. Just hop on over to easyeda.com and register a new account. Once you're in, head to the home page and click on EasyEDA Designer. And on the pop-up, select the standard edition. This will open the EasyEDA online editor with a very simple user interface. Here it seems like we have little to no option. So first let's start with creating a new project. To do that, click on this icon here. On the pop-up, give a project title and some detail about the project. And then hit on Save. This will unlock all the features that EasyEDA has to offer, along with creating a new sheet where we'll do the schematic capture. Since this is going to be a second home now, let's quickly take a look at the UI and how things work in EasyEDA. For navigation like zoom in and zoom out, use the scroll wheel. And to pan across the document, just middle click and drag. Finally, to fit the document on window, just click on this Fit to Window icon. Now on the left, we have the project panel, which shows all the project files and folders that we just created. Then below that, we have the design manager to keep track of components and nets that will be adding to the circuit. Then the commonly used list of components, followed by a full-fledged online library with thousands of parts. Now for the tools, we can use these floating windows. Wiring tools should give you access to tools like bus, net labels, and other tools that's related to schematic design. Similarly, the drawing floating window should give you tools like the document editor and various graphic tools that make your circuit look pretty. Finally, we have the Object Properties panel, which will give you more details about various objects like symbols and graphic elements that will be placed on the drawing sheet. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss more in detail about the features and the tools EasyEDA has to offer. Along with that, we'll also try to understand why we need a battery management circuit and how to build one from scratch. So make sure to be subscribed to the channel so you don't miss the videos. If you have any questions or doubt, don't forget to check out the PCB Cupid Q&A section. Until then, keep learning and keep creating.